Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So this tutorial is going to be about Wix site. So this in this video I'm going to show you how to simply add a map in your Wix site so that you can add contact form which are as well as some of the pages like home page basically. So now what I will do is I will add it to contact form, contact page. So just I'll click on add, go to contact and forms, go to maps. So now there are two types of maps. Only maps, which is like a inbox type, full width. So you can choose whichever of this, and then you can choose the otherwise design of the map basically. So I will choose randomly anyone. I don't know. Yeah, I think this one got added. I will just remove it. And this one. So now after selecting one of the design, you can also change the design later like this. You can also change the pin design as well. You can change the color, choose the color basically for the pin that you want to add to show basically. So you can go through to this design. You can also connect this to database basically. Then settings. You can also disable it. Enable some of them. Allow dragging, show direction link, show street view control, show zoom control, show map and supply, use and zoom 14. And zoom and zoom out. And manage location here. Give the title of your office, description if you want. You can also add a link. You can also add a link there. If you have multiple locations, you can add here. And there is a satellite option that you can pick once your head is there. So this is about it. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Thank you.